Trying to do a fucking oil change in this bloody car. Anyone know where the oil filter is? Is that the oil filter? I don't know. I really don't know. Someone said it's over this side. But I can't see fuck all there. It's all plastic and whatever this thing is. Right. I ain't got a fucking clue. Right, let's jack it up. Got to jack the back up to make it straight. Oh, what's that close for? What a prick. Right. It's all fucking wet. Jacking point there. I'm going to go for that. It's nice and solid. I think. Yeah, it's nice and solid. Right. Let's have a go. Anything, isn't it? I'll jack her up. Handbrake ain't going to be holding the car, is it? Or will it fall off the ramps? I don't know. Get ready to see if it starts rolling. The old wheel's on the ground, haven't it? Oh, fucking hell, mate. Come out of here. Yeah, it is, isn't it? There you go. Right. What the fucking hell is that? Where can I put blocks? I don't fucking know. Where the fuck, what the fuck is a bumblebee? Fuck off, mate. I don't know where to put fucking blocks. The hell is that bar? Going all the way across there for? I don't fucking know, I'm not a mechanic. It's only halfway down. I can think about putting blocks, but would it be fucking safe? What's that about fucking answer? I don't know. I don't think that's going to be safe for you. I'll try it. Suggested. There's three. And get further over now. Work down the oil. That's beautiful. That's not going to be safe, is it? Let's try and do it without it. I think. Alright. I'll just try and do what I can about it. How hard is it? I'm going to jack up from the back end. Got me something in there, isn't there? Right, that's where the spare goes, isn't it? Put any weight on that, it's just going to cave in. And we don't want that to cave in, do we? Right. Bring it back when I'm trying to make some progress, which I'm not doing at the moment, so try then. We've got the gubbins in there, waiting for the engine to flush through. Another 5 minutes, turn her off, get it out, put her in, put a new filter in, job, bang bang bong dong. Hopefully completed. Probably not. Bring you back with something else happens. Turn up. Look at that match tag. Pokemon biscuits. Whatnot shop. Chocolate on the inside. Look, all done, completed. Back on, done. That's the first task of the day. The second task is, I think, nearly beer time.
Or can I find you some work to do?
Hey?
Or should I find you some work to do?
Right. Oh, fuck, I don't argue with that. Fuck on. Fucking that. Fucking don't argue with that. Fucking hell, mate. Nope. Right, anyway. Little recap. I'm going to stay in Canterbury this week. And you'll see that video next Monday, a week from today. Because this one you'll see today. Oh, you're having a fucking laugh in your traffic. Goes clear one way and fucking not the other. Yep, doing that. And October, I'm gonna do one. I'm going to find my auntie's grave in Northern Ireland. That's gonna be an interesting one. I didn't know she died till a few months back. I think time to go see it, put some flowers on the grave. And that's gonna be a little mooch around Moira in Northern Ireland. And Lisburn, I think, Belfast. Anyway, that's where we're going in October, I think. September, October. As you can see, the car's still going alright with new oil in it, new filter in it. It's driving like a fucking dream. Now I said that, engine gonna blow up. You watch. Matching it up. Don't know much else to say really. I was going to go to that little market church thing, sandwich today, but it's closed. Have a nose around that. Might be another day. Yeah. We'll find things to do. Hopefully it'll start entertaining you a lot bit better. Got 650 subscribers nearly. That ain't too bad, so instead of watching the video, push the subscribe button please, it helps. I appreciate it so much. All you got to do is press subscribe. Don't even have to watch me again, you know what I mean? But it'd be nice if you do. Hopefully, I know it's the beginning of the channel, starting. Hopefully it will get better. And we'll do well, and everyone can be entertained by it. Like, look forward to it, like I do. Like, I watch some channels on YouTube, like Outdoor Show. What else do I watch? Mashtag. Watch all sorts of channels. Will Whereabouts. Yeah, I look forward to them coming on. So hopefully my channel gets a bit like that soon. Well, in a year or so, I don't know how long it takes. It takes a while though, doesn't it? But more you lot hit subscribe, the more it goes bigger and bigger and bigger. So hit that fucking subscribe button, or you're gay. Thank you. Alright, just go and sandwich, get some petroleum. Mentioning no names, Adam, Sophie, but I'm going to ask you to. I trust you. So expect to be house sitting if you're not busy. If you're busy doing other things, obviously you can't do it. But Adam and Sophie, you are my number ones. Fucking hell. You have to give way straight through. Go that way. So don't fill these fucking potholes in. Don't even think about it. Sonny Jim, that's it, you stay put. There you go, you know it makes total sense. You fucking space. Right. Sandwich you. Right, I'll turn you off in a minute. I do have something else to tell you guys, but can't fucking remember. I was fucking drunk when I thought of it. I slept since then, so yeah, fucking like someone pushing the escape button, delete button and everything. Gone, memory cleared. Oh yeah, the island trip I'm looking forward to. Go on a plane. It's only about an hour and 20 minutes on a plane. Otherwise you'll go up fucking Liverpool or Scotland to get on a fucking ferry. I can't be arsed with that malarkey. Oh you fucking good. Oh you fucking. That's twice it happened. Right. Gonna go over again, are you? Right. I'll get out there and fucking stop nagging, chatting. I'm gonna start filling the fucking car up. Right. I'll bring you back. Well, the next one you see me will be next Monday. So, peace out. Must have been fucking low fuel. You doing it, gauge. 20 fucking quid as well. Alright. Get those through Sandwich Town. Then that's it, done. I'm fucking done, like, let's fucking go home. Fucking go home. Edit video, get it on YouTube at 7 o'clock tonight. Oh. Quite old day today, isn't it? Fucking hell, bro. People in the wind drinking, probably. Fucking pieces. Definitely be, this will be the end of this vlog. Not much else to see now, is there? No, didn't think so. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Please, please, please. Much appreciated. Right, I'll end it here now, and I'll see you on the next one. It won't be long.